All of your trades can have much higher probability of winning if you use this strategy correctly. I just took a winning trade using the Bollinger Band indicator, but the reason most traders lose with this indicator is because they make one common mistake. Most people only focus on three Bollinger Band lines and completely ignore the support and resistance level forming within the price action. Let me show you an example. Here, the market clearly had a reversal area acting as a strong support, which I have marked with a horizontal line. Now, you people are only focused with the three lines of Bollinger Band, but that is not the way to trade with Bollinger Band. You have to look the overall structure of the market, what the market is doing. Market is in a ranging situation, and there is a clearly strong support area forming. Now, the ideal condition for taking Bollinger Band setup is after the breakout, you can take same direction trade. But what happened here was after a strong red candle, a small green candle, which I consider as a pullback or a error candle. It doesn't make any sense to me, so I took same direction trade for put entry because the market overall direction was bearish. After such a bearish pressure, a small green candle doesn't make any sense, okay? And similarly, one small green candle again formed without touching our support line. Because of this reason, I have again taken one put entry because now I am sure that the market is definitely going to test our support or even the lower line of the Bollinger Band. This is another high probability setup because I am trading in the direction of the trend while following the indicator's signal and confirming it with price action. With all these factors aligned, the trade has strong confirmation, resulting in a direct win. Stay with me because as soon as this candle closes, I'll reveal the exact Bollinger Band value and show you how to use it to identify high probability trade entries. This was my second trade, and this is also a direct win. Now the candle has approached to our support area, so I'll not be taking any more trades here. And for the setting, this is the exact setting of Bollinger Band 20 and 2. This is what setting you have to place in your chart. Now I'm going to explain the strategy, so pay close attention. For this strategy, I want you to focus only on the middle line of Bollinger Band. Whenever price breaks above the middle band, you can look for a trade in the same direction. For example, if a bullish candle closes above the middle band, you can consider a buy trade. Similarly, if a bearish candle closes below the middle band, you can consider a sell trade. What you should not do is take reversal trade when price approaches the upper band or the lower band. We are only interested in trades that occur whenever price crosses the middle band. Ignore reversal opportunity around the outer bands. At the same time, pay close attention what the price action is telling you. Identify whether the market is trending or ranging and watch for any support and resistance level forming within the Bollinger Band range. Combining the middle band breakout with market structure and price action will help you to filter out weaker setups and focus on high probability trades. Alright guys, let's see how price reacted when it reached to support area, and let's see, just as I expected, a bullish candle has formed even though the price did not touch our lower level of Bollinger Band. This shows why it is important to pay attention to price action and key support and resistance level rather than relying on only Bollinger Band. Now here I have taken directly put entry, and this is the setup what I was talking about. We have got a breakout with the middle line with a red candle perfectly breakout, and then one red candle which got rejected from the upside, closing below our Bollinger Band line. So this is a perfect setup of Bollinger Band, and the candle has not yet tested our lower level of Bollinger Band, which is why I've taken a put entry. And even when the support, if you combine, it has not reached our support level as well. So this is a high probability trade setup. My entry could have been little more better, but nevertheless, this trade is going to be a winning trade. This was my third trade using Bollinger Band strategy, and it was another direct win. I want you to practice this strategy and combine it with proper price action analysis. Test it for yourself and let me know the result in the comment below. If you have any questions or anything you are confused about, feel free to ask me in the comment. I'll be happy to help. I'll come back with another powerful video. Until then, keep learning, and as always, happy trading, guys.